Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between, where everything is made with so much love just for you. With that being said, make sure to like the video, that helps the channel a ton. And if you just came across the channel, do not hesitate, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be the first one to know of new videos. In today's video, we will be starting up some herbs and veggies from seeds, transplanting them outside so you will get to see a little bit of my yard. But the main thing will be me showing you how easy you can make a simple outdoor veggie garden in any small space and with repurposed items. So let's get into planting. I will start with mint, and if you have watched the previous video where I start some herbs from seed, you will see that for some odd reason, I am having such difficult time with mint. If you have any tips or suggestion, please let me know in the comments. And if you have not watched that video, I will link on the description so you can check it out. Anyway, this time I got this cute container and I paid about $9.99 for it. It comes with the container, soil, and seeds, and I so hope this works. The container does come with a hole for drainage, so now I'm just gonna start and put the soil into it. And the next thing up would be me putting the seeds and some water. And just like that, the mint is done. I will be placing this container into my bay window for some light, and I so hope I can grow some mint this time. Now I will be repurposing my store-bought romaine, and all I do is plant that part that you usually throw it out when making a salad. I do have a full video on this process, and I will link that on the description for you if you're interested. Always make sure to give some water to everything you plant, and the romaine is done. I will also be placing this on my bay window for some light. Now it's time to go outside. And here is one of my beds. As you can see, very simple but yet effective. I will add some more soil to it and plant my bell pepper plants that I started from seed about a month or so ago. And here they are, planted outside. Now I will start some seeds. And here is me repurposing some egg trays in their plastic from the store. That way you don't have to buy those fancy little containers that do cost money. So this is nice and easy and it works pretty well. I'm starting with some lettuce. So put some seeds to each slot, then cover with some more dirt, add a little bit of water, and put into a nice inlet place so they can get growing. Next thing up is cucumbers. So all you do, just add some of the seeds into every slot and cover it up with dirt, again some water, and put into a nice inlet place so they can get growing. Now we have some yellow squash. And summer squash. Just like that, your seeds are nice, prepped, and we can only hope for them to grow. I did have some basil and sage into this white container on my windowsill inside of the house, but they're not doing so good, so I decided to plant them outside and see if they can grow a little better. I've been taking little pieces of them, but other than that, let's hope they grow better outside. Now we have the celery, and this celery I grew from that part that you throw away from the store-bought piece. As you can see, I have another one already growing, and I will be transplanting these 2 celery outside so they can grow a little better. And here's where I decide to plant the celery. All I'm doing is roughing up the soil a little bit so I can add a little more soil and transplant them. And boy, oh boy, look all those roots. I think the celery will do great outside. Now I will be transplanting my scallions, and these scallions I grew from the store bought also. The parsley I did brought it up from seeds, and as you can see, I've been taking from inside quite a lot, so I'm just gonna transplant them outside, and then that way they can grow a little better here too. Now it's time to show you the seed growth. And here it is, everyone. I just made this square box out of repurposed wood. As you can see in the back, I had a ton of wood. I just put 4 pieces together, and I'm gonna add some soil. And here is where I'm gonna transplant my squash and cucumbers. After everything is nice and planted, I will be bunny proofing this veggie garden bed, because we do have a family of bunnies that live right near our shed, and it's right near this bed, and I do know they will come over here and munch on all of my stuff. So I'm bunny proofing my little veggie garden. And please do not forget, water, water, water. Now this is completely random, but give me a power tool and I am completely happy. So I will show you how I mow my lawn. Good. Now I gotta do the front. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, everyone, a couple days passed by and I'm not sure what is going on with my parsley, but something is munching on it. I don't know what it is. If you know, let me know in the comments. And this is my scallions. They're not doing so great, but maybe in a couple days they'll be better. And here's everything we planted today. Our celery, some cucumber, squash, and stay tuned for the before and after. If you are still watching, make sure to like the video, share with anyone you think will enjoy, and leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. As always, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Ciao!